Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Chennai, Namma Chennai, and happy Dasara and Vijayadashmi greetings to you. And it gives me great pleasure as part of the organizing committee, Visicon 2021, and the Chennai Vascular and Welfare Society to welcome you all to the Visicon 2021. Dream big, said our missile man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and incidentally, it is his 19th birth anniversary today. The long wait is over. The pall of gloom that enveloped us in the form of the pandemic is slowly lifting, and it gives us an opportunity to pick ourselves up and to get back to our dreams and our work, and also a wonderful opportunity to host this conference here in this city of Chennai, from where eventually everything started from. Agara mudala ezhuthellam Adi Bhagavan Mudatke Ulagu, said Thiruvallur. Those who don't understand Tamil, please refer to the book that is part of your complimentary kit. It's the first stanza. Fear of Lord is the beginning of knowledge, said the Bible. And to invoke the Lord's blessing, we have Dr. Sundar Narsimhan, consultant vascular surgeon from Bangalore, who is going to invoke to Lord Ganesha, destroyer of obstacles. So can we have the rendition of
Mahaganapatim Sri Mahaganapatim Sri Mahaganapatim Sri Mahaganapatim Manasa Varami Mahaganapatim Manasa Varami Mahaganapatim Manasa Varami Vasishtha Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim Sri Vasishtha Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim Mahadeva Sudam Mahadeva Sudam Guru Kuhanudam Mahadeva Sudam Guru Kuhanudam Marakodi Pragasam Santam Marakodi Pragasam Santam Mahakavya Nadagadi Priyam Mahakavya Nadagadi Priyam Moshigavagana Modaga Priyam Mahakavya Nadagadi Priyam Moshigavagana Modaga Priyam Mahaganapatim Manasa Varami Vasishtha Vamadevati Vandita Mahaganapatim सरिगमः गणपतिं पनि सरिगमः गणपतिं पामगमरि सरिगमः गणपतिं पनिस निनिस निनिपम सरिगमः गणपतिं निस निप निप मरि सरि सम सप सनि महा गणपतिं निसरि सा सा स नि सरि सा सा स नि सरि सा सा स नि सरि सा सा स प म ग मरि सरि सरि स म ग मरि सरि सरि स नि ब नि ब नि ब नि ब नि ब म ब नि ब नि ब नि ब रि सरि 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 स नि सरि 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 स नि ब नि ब नि ब नि ब म ब नि ब नि ब नि ब रि सरि 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 स नि सरि 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 स सरि रि स स म प प स म प प प द ध नि प नि सरि सरि प म ग रे ग म ह गणपतिं मनसा वरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिं
Excellent, sir. That's Dr. Sundar with his familiar baritone voice invoking Lord Ganesha. Lead me from evil to good, from darkness to light, from death to immortality, says the Pravana mantra. To dispel the darkness of ignorance and to light the lamp of knowledge, Kuttu Velaku, may I call upon our past presidents, Professor S.A. Hussain, sir, Professor N. Shekhar, sir. I think Professor Shekhar, sir, is held up in an emergency. Professor T. Vidyasagaran, sir, our director, first director of the Institute of Vascular Surgery, MMC, Professor M. Rajkumar, sir, Dr. V. Balaji, Senior Consultant Vascular Surgeon, Apollo Hospitals, to light the Kuttu Velaku. And Professor S., our organizing chairman, Professor S.R. Subramaniam, sir.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
A group of determined people with a shared vision and commitment to spread the knowledge and skills of vascular surgery met together in the Hotel Savera, Chennai in 1994, not far from here, to light the flame of knowledge. And the flame is still burning still, and many of their students, including us, have now become the torchbearers. And today, if you are able to see distant horizons, is mainly because we are standing on the shoulders of these giants. And he is the bedrock, a beacon of light in the ocean of uncertainty, because this COVID time tested us. There was a lot of uncertainty whether we will be having the conference with us, but due to his unfailing support and his unfailing commitment, he said to go ahead with the surgery, with the organizing the VisiCon conference here. So now I call upon our dynamic organizing chairman, Professor S.R. Subramaniam, to give the welcome address.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Shakshat, Parabrahmam, Dasmai Sri Kuruve Namaha. My gurus are here, Professor Hussain, and a very warm good evening to all the VSI members who are on virtual line. It's indeed a great pleasure to welcome you all to this 28th annual conference of the Vascular Society of India, which initially started as a virtual and at the final moments has become partially hybrid. Thanks to the dynamism of the organizing team, I have great pleasure in inviting the President, Vascular Society of India, the Executive Committee members of the Vascular Society of India, the senior presidents, former presidents of the Vascular Society of India, the senior most faculty who have been the founder members of the Vascular Society of India, and all the full life members of the Vascular Society of India, the associate members, and the present faculty in various medical college institutions where we have MCH and DNB vascular surgery. And I also have to make a special mention of invitation to the postgraduates who are the future consultants and who will be the future founding pillars of the Vascular Society of India. Welcome to the important conference. It has been designed specifically and also in a grand manner, about which Organizing Secretary Dr. Sridhar will enlighten upon. I also have a welcome invitation to the industrial people who have been unwavering in their support to the virtual conference, even though it is virtual and turned out to be hybrid later. And welcome to Hallmark group of people who have been entwined with the Vascular Society of India for the past few years and have been the backbone of all the conferences for the Vascular Society of India. And welcome to the Chennai Vascular Welfare Society members also who have been a strong support, and the enthusiasm has spread to everybody in the organizing committee, and it made it quite an important and well-organized conference. And already the applause has come in for the kit which has been given. And once again, I welcome you all for this 28th VSICon 2021. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. He is a man of few words, tremendous actions, a dynamic leader. Now I call upon our beloved director and organizing secretary, Professor N. Sridharan, to give his welcome address.
Respected teachers, dear colleagues and friends, it's a proud privilege to host the 28th edition of the annual conference of Vascular Society of India. Initially, when we planned to host the conference in 2020, our goals were to deliver excellent scientific content and unmatched hospitality. But the pandemic has changed everything, and we are forced to conduct the conference virtually. But now, fortunately, as the pandemic is under control, we are hosting the conference in a hybrid mode. This conference has many firsts to its credit. And this is the first hybrid conference of Vascular Society of India. And hopefully from next year, we should switch over to the physical mode. And we had a monthly newsletter with a quiz competition. So far, we had 11 editions, and winners of the quiz program will be announced by the President of Vascular Surgery of Society of India in the valedictory function. Dr. Pratap Kumar from Madras Medical College has taken up the task of publishing the newsletter on time, and he deserves appreciation for the excellent content of the newsletter. We also had a pre-conference CME for general surgical postgraduates with an unique concept of comprehensive teaching online in the form of didactic lectures, case discussions, and video demonstration of open and endovascular procedures. The whole concept of CME was done by Sri Ramachandra Medical College, headed by Professor Radhakrishnan Raju and his team. And again, they need applause. And this is the first time we are having Dr. Sunil Agarwal's trainee lounge in fond memory of our senior friend, Dr. Sunil Agarwal. And we also have a video gallery of standard and complex cases. The conference is being held for 10 days, 3 days in the first part and last 3 days in the second part. And in between the 4 days, we have got workshops for all the postgraduates. I request all the postgraduates to enrich their experience by attending the workshops. And the scientific team headed by Dr. Shankar and Dr. Sairam has done a tremendous job. In fact, Dr. Sairam has single-handedly visualized, formulated, and organized the scientific session with a rich content. And the conference coordinator, Dr. Rajarajan, has contributed immensely in all aspects of the conference, including the overall arrangement, the scientific deliberations, and more importantly, making the conference financially viable by interacting with the sponsors. And I leave it to anybody's guess to the amount of money we have collected through sponsorship, and credit goes to Dr. Rajarajan for that. And I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention my friend and colleague, Dr. Ilay Kumar, the organizing treasurer, who has been a pillar of strength and was through the thick and thin in organizing this event. His contribution to this conference is immense. Our joint organizing secretaries, Professor Bhaktavachalam and Professor Ashok Kumar, has been a source of strength in organizing this event, and they were readily available in need of ours. And finally, my gratitude to our organizing chairman, Professor S.R. Subramaniam, who has guided me all throughout in organizing this conference. And my thanks to our organizing co-chairman, Dr. Balaji, for his support. And I thank all our patrons and advisors for guiding us in the right path, and all the members of Chennai Vascular Welfare Society for their contribution. And as elaborate scientific session has been organized, I request you all to come in person for the conference, for the second part of the conference, and enjoy the scientific deliberations. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Next, we'll be eagerly awaiting for to hear the inaugural address by our beloved President of the Vascular Society of India, Professor M. Unikrishnan, sir.
Good evening and warm welcome to all of you. And the most important function in the entire calendar of Vascular Society of India is going to be sort of inaugurated today, and that is the annual VSICon 2021. There are several specialities regarding this conference. This is the second time we are going to have it online, because all of us know the catastrophic pandemic. I think it's tapering off in some places, but still doing its havoc. We are not through yet. That's number one. So we don't have that physical together for the conference, and so we are keeping it online. And the second most important thing about this meeting is that instead of consecutive 3 or 4 days, we are going to have it in 2 weekends. That is in the second and third week. And the third important thing is that we are going to have on 10th of October, it's over, that function is over for the workshop and teaching for the residents and the surgical postgraduates. Now, the society, obviously, with this pandemic going on, we have not met for the midterm, we have not met for the annual. This is the second consecutive year. But teaching programs, initially by Tapish and now by P.C. Gupta from Hyderabad, it's going on for the residents. And of course, our flagship function of the VSI, the Indian Journal of Vascular and Endovascular Surgical Journal, is exponentially grown into a very good journal at the present, thanks to the great efforts by our senior member, Dr. Suresh, and his team. So those activities are going on. I'm happy to say that. In addition to that, we have had the EVL by Dr. Virendra Bedi and the SIDAP by Rajiv Parekh, as usual for this year as well. Then the several state chapters were active, and particularly the Chennai Vascular Society is very active, I know. Then the Vascular Society of Kerala also has been a lot of activities online. And this year, 2021, as I mentioned, there are various important video presentations and meet the masters. And as I mentioned, we have evening sessions and 2 Sundays. And I think a lot of effort has gone on for the whole year by Professor Subramaniam and Professor Sridharan and his team. I think I congratulate them for this particular fashioning of the conference in this online situation, and their hard work and their good ideas. So I don't want to extend my talk further. Welcome you, all of you, once again. and I hope you will enjoy the educational facilities and the conference in all. And anyway, I welcome and thank you for attending and coming over, and wish you a good time in Chennai Online Conference 2021, which is the 28th conference in the Vascular Society of India, initially inaugurated in the 1994, when it was founded, and that coincided with the 358th year of Madras Medical College's initiation. So welcome once again, and thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring speech, inaugural address. Next, our WISKID and scientific co-chairman, Dr. Sairam, will walk us through the virtual platform of VisiCon 2021.
Hello, everybody. Hope you're all well and safe, and welcome to this virtual VisiCon 2021. We are very happy on this very auspicious day to launch the virtual platform for the conference. I'll take you through the initial steps that you will need to do to enter the platform, and also tell you a few things on how to use this platform thoroughly for the next 10 days. So you must have all got this email, or this link will also be sent on the social media channels. So once you get this, you need to click on this link. This will take you to the login page for entering the platform. Login is possible only for those who have registered email IDs. So I've got mine in there, and once I press the login key, it takes me into the VisiCon platform. So you enter the grand building, and the initial welcome is done by the platinum sponsors. So please do spend some time on the stalls. Once you click on each stall, you'll be able to have a chat with the specific company representative. You can also look at the company product brochures as well. So please do spend some time on each stall. And then to enter the conference hall, you click there, then you enter the main conference lobby. So when you enter, there'll be a selfie booth on the left. You can use this to mark your attendance to the conference and also store these images for your future. There is an information booth on the left where you can ask whatever questions or doubts you have about the conference. On the right, you have the conference agenda. So this will take you to the entire program over the next 10 days. So straight ahead is your delegates entry to the Hall A. The faculty for each session have to enter through a separate entry. So this is only for the delegates entry. You click into that, and then you will be taken through a grand passage with our platinum sponsors welcome you again. And you will then enter the conference hall. Yeah, so that's the main conference hall. And to start playing the talk, you need to press the play button. Then there is a Q&A button. When you press that, that will show you the chat box. And this is where you will also get your poll questions for you to answer during the discussion breaks. So please raise all your questions on the chat box. The chat box will be open throughout the conference. Even if we don't have enough time to answer it during the particular session, we'll still have time for them to be answered by the speakers after the session. So please do keep typing in your questions on the chat box. So we go back to the lobby. Now for the faculty for each session, they'll have to enter through the faculty lounge up here in the first floor. So go to the faculty lounge, and on the right, you will have the faculty entry to Hall A and Hall B. Once you click on that, that will take you to the link into the meeting, where you will be able to interact as faculty. So this is the link that all speakers, chairpersons, panelists for each session have to use. Please do use this link about 15 minutes prior to your session. And as soon as the session is completed, please leave the meeting and then come back in and join in as an attendee. So going back to the lobby, you also have the hall B on the right. So this here we'll be using the hall only for parallel sessions. And this is mainly for the free paper and the e-poster presentation sessions. On the left, you have the exhibition hall. So once you go in, you'll have, there are 3 halls for platinum, silver, and the gold sponsors. So please do go in there. Please do support our industry partners. Come back to the lobby. The Dr. Sunil Agarwal Trainees Lounge is our contribution to the BSI Con. And this is specifically meant for trainees. Although it is all the programs are meant for them, all of us can really get in here. We have various kind of workshops, device stations, and a video gallery as well in the trainees lounge. So all access to all the workshops will be through this window. Once you click in there, you will enter the workshop hall where you will have the particular workshop being played live. And again, you will have a Q&A box. So going back to the trainee lounge, so you've got these little kind of buttons on top, and wherever you want to navigate, you can just go there. So the next are the device stations. So in the device station, there are certain videos of which have been pre-recorded of particular devices. There's also a live demo session for certain devices for which pre-registration has been done. So once you click on that, you will get the list and you'll get access to the live device demo meeting. So we'll then go back to the trainee lounge. So we also have this video gallery towards the right of the trainee lounge. So in this space, we have a compilation of open and endovascular procedures done for both standard procedures as well as complex procedures. So this should be ready by this evening for you to all check. Now, these will be open throughout the 10 days of the conference. So feel free to log in anytime and have a look at these videos. So that's an overview of the VisiCon virtual platform. The organizing team has worked quite hard to get this in place. Nevertheless, there are bound to be glitches, and definitely there will be scope for improvement. So please do write to us. Let us know whatever we can fix over the next few days, we shall. So hope you all have a great VisiCon 2021. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Dr. Saram, for walking us through this virtual platform. It was a very excellent thing. And that concludes our inauguration program. And thanks, everyone. And before I hand over the proceedings to our dynamic conference coordinator, Dr. Rajarajan, to take over and moderate the next inaugural session, first session, I still advise that COVID protocols do apply here, and to wear a mask, use hand sanitizer, and keep safe. Thank you.